Winky D and Busy Signals drink up problems away when AI meets Zimdancehall royalty. There's a buzz building around a particular video on YouTube that marries the undeniable talent of Zimbabwean Zimdancehall icon Winky D with Jamaican dancehall superstar Busy Signal. Drink up problems away official video. This isn't just another music video. It's a fascinating peek into the future of creative content, where artificial intelligence steps onto the artistic stage. The power duo. Winky D and Busy Signal. First, let's talk about the artists themselves. Winky D, affectionately known as the Big Man, or Gafa, is a towering figure in Zimbabwean music. His lyrical prowess, commanding stage presence, and consistent ability to drop socially conscious hits have cemented his place as a national treasure. On the other side of the mic, we have Busy Signal, a prolific and versatile Jamaican artist known for his catchy hooks and dynamic delivery. A collaboration between these two titans is, in itself, a reason to pay attention. Drink Up Problems Away delivers exactly what you'd expect. A compelling beat, relatable lyrics about seeking solace from life's troubles, and the distinct vocal styles of both artists blending seamlessly. It's a track designed to resonate with anyone who's ever needed a moment of escape. The official video phenomenon. But the real kicker here is the official video tag. This isn't just a fan-made animation. It signals a deliberate embrace of artificial intelligence to visualize the music. So, what does this mean for the viewer and for the music industry? A new aesthetic. AI-generated videos often possess a dreamlike, ethereal, or even surreal quality. They can interpret lyrics and moods in ways a human director might not conceive, creating visuals that are fluid, evolving, and sometimes strikingly abstract. For Drink Up Problems Away, this could mean a visual journey through the feeling of shedding problems, perhaps depicting shifting landscapes, evolving figures, or abstract representations of stress melting away. Accessibility and innovation. AI tools are making video creation more accessible than ever. Artists, especially independent ones or those wanting to experiment, can generate high-quality, unique visuals without the massive budgets traditionally required for professional music videos. For established artists like Winky D and Busy Signal, it shows a willingness to experiment and stay at the forefront of technological trends. Enhanced storytelling. While traditional videos rely on direct narrative or performance, AI can create metaphorical or symbolic visual representations that deepen the emotional impact of a song. Imagine the AI interpreting problems away through visuals that literally dissolve or transform into something positive. Engagement and curiosity. The AI video label itself is a draw. People are inherently curious about what AI can do, and seeing it applied to music videos sparks discussion and encourages repeat views. It adds an extra layer of intrigue to an already strong musical offering. What to expect from Drink Up Problems Away official video. When you hit play on this video, prepare for more than just a song. You're likely to experience unique visual interpretations. Expect visuals that respond dynamically to the rhythm and lyrical themes of Drink Up Problems Away. A blend of art and tech. Witness how algorithms can translate human emotion and musicality into captivating moving images. A glimpse into the future. This video isn't just entertainment, it's a statement about where the creative industries are headed. Winky D and Busy Signal's collaboration on Drink Up Problems Away is a fantastic track on its own, but the addition of an official video elevates it into a must-watch experience for fans of dancehall, Zimdancehall, and anyone interested in the evolving landscape of digital art and music. It's a testament to the fact that creativity, whether human or augmented by AI, continues to find new ways to express itself. Have you watched it yet? What are your thoughts on AI-generated music videos? Let us know in the comments below.